It's a new dawn, it's a new day. If I'm sweaty, that's because I am in Vietnam, in Hanoi, with my girlfriend, and we're gonna ride bikes here. So I wanted to put it on the channel. It's a Yamaha, it's a scooter. I don't know how many cc's, I think something like 125 cc's. We're gonna just ride around in Hanoi for about 5 hours. So yeah, let's see how this traffic is gonna treat us. Okay, let's do this. Thing has some power in the small streets, I can tell. So if I want to get away from something, I can. Make way, make way, make way. I have to honk more because everybody does it. Sylvia is gonna ride in front for a change. It's kind of sad that I cannot have my chin mount and look left and right to show you more, because sometimes some cars and scooters come rushing from the left, and yeah, you don't see that on the GoPro if it's pointing forward. But I hope you can get a sense of the madness that is riding a scooter in Hanoi. If you have to change gears all the time, because the guy asked us, do you want to have an automatic or do you want to have gear changing? And I said it doesn't matter because we know how to do it. Come on. But all the stopping and braking and giving gas again, it's better with an automatic, I think. So thank God. Normally it was 500,000 Vietnamese dong, but we bargained for 350. So a little bit more than half the price.
In 2020, there were over 65 million motorcycles registered in Vietnam, which is about 2/3 of the amount of the population. In 2023, it went on record that Vietnam is the country with the second most motorcycles per capita, with no less than 86% of households owning a motorcycle. No surprise, motorcycles, or motorbikes as the locals call them, are embedded in the culture.
That was all the power the scooter had. Wow, the brakes are bad. I'm not gonna go that fast anymore, because if I have to stop, no possibility. Woo. This is less dangerous, I think, than the small streets, because everybody goes the same way. We don't have a destination, we're just riding because we want to experience riding here. This was such a good idea. It's one of the main things I wanted to do in Vietnam, is ride the scooter in the center. And then we're gonna also rent motorbikes for in the mountains in a couple of weeks. Okay, let's get to the other side of the lake. If you ever come to Vietnam, I really recommend it. It's so fun. It's really fun. Such a happy feeling. It would be so much fun to ride a Honda CB500X here, just because I'm so familiar with the bike. But I think this is better for this traffic. For this traffic, this is definitely better. That was madness, but I love it. This is my little bike. The Yamaha Frigo. Maybe that's just the advertisement, I don't know. But I think it's a Yamaha Frigo. So if anybody knows that, you can comment below. I'm gonna follow this. I don't even know the speed limit here. I'm so busy with the traffic that I don't look at the signs. But I'm just gonna follow traffic. We're going about 40-50 kilometers an hour maximum, so let's do that. With the links, yeah. Look at this place. Look at it. It's so nice. So different, I mean, from what I'm used to. And look at this dude. And here should be a big lake. Yes, this hotel. This hotel is on the water. You don't see it, but I'm not lying.
Fucking restart.
Gewoon gaan vangen, voilà, veel. Here? Lunch?
Sorry, we just had cookies.
Ah, okay. And you know where we can eat something? Some place good? Here?
Around the lake.
Around the lake, yes.
Oh, the shop is closed, so you have to go to the main road.
Ah,
In the country.
okay, it's closed. All right, thank you. Alright, we're gonna bring the bikes back because it's time. So last bit of riding in Hanoi. rode the wrong way, but this is even better. You would just ride the wrong way on purpose here. Just turning in random streets to make the journey longer. But we do have to get back. We have 10 minutes left. They're not going to be difficult about a few minutes, but let's not test it. So many people in the West, so many accidents happen because people just are scared. And they brake and they do weird stuff because they get scared or they have a jump scare. And here that doesn't happen, so I think people just, I'm not saying there's less accidents here, but people are used to traffic living and just go with it.
You can't park there, sir.
We brought the bikes back and look at what we have here. The CB500X. What a coincidence. I'm not hearing Sylvia anymore, so I'm running back. Oh my god! Holy shit.